time you go online, your data is like a traveller moving through a busy digital highway. But not everyone on that highway has good intentions. That's why we have firewalls, your computer's personal bodyguard. A firewall is like a security gate between your device and the internet. It checks every piece of data that tries to come in or go out, deciding what's safe and what's suspicious. If something looks dangerous, the firewall blocks it instantly. There are two main types of firewalls: software firewalls, which run on your computer or phone, like the ones in Windows or Mac OS, and hardware firewalls, which are built into routers or separate security devices. Both do the same job: monitor and control network traffic. Here's how it actually works. When data packets enter your network, the firewall compares them against a set of rules. If they match something safe, like a trusted website, they pass. If not, they're dropped instantly before they can cause harm. In a world full of scams, malware, and data theft, your firewall is your first line of defense. So whether it's on your laptop or built into your router, make sure it's always turned on and up to date.